Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Facebook on all devices. So you can sign out of Facebook in all devices remotely from your account settings. So open Facebook and click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then from here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now at the top, select Account Center. Next, tap or click Password and Security. Then scroll down and select where you're logged in under Security Checks. Then you can choose your Facebook account to see all active sessions. Then at the bottom, select Devices to log out. So click Select Devices to log out. Then you can click Select All and you can click Log Out to confirm the action. And then it will log you out and sign out from every device. So if you're logging out because you think someone else has access to your account, it's a good idea to change your Facebook password immediately, turn on two factor authentication, or review the devices and locations listed under where you're logged in and remove any you don't recognize. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.